Don't overtake. Wait.
It seems like learner giving signal for roundabout to turn right, but not to overtake bus.
Safe to go?
Yes.
Learner is doing well with the roundabout, and instructor need to increase the different sort of roundabouts or junctions.
Well done. Can you see the pedestrian crossing?
Yes.
We're turning before the pedestrian crossing. Turn left, please.
Okay.
After, pull up on the left hand side and safe, please.
Okay.
Okay, Shukot. So, over the bus over there now have stopped. So, what are you thinking over there?
Yeah, I just pressed the. Yes, I was waiting there, and I was just pressed my indicator right for my fourth exit to keep my vehicle in the right lane.
Okay. So, what you need to do if your visibility is blocked? What do you think? Is safe to move or you need to hold back?
Yes, I have to hold back.
Hold back. Okay. So, bus is a big object. Your view was clear.
No.
Your view is blocked.
Yes.
So, what is the risk involved over there?
Yes, so there might be collision in my car in front of the bus.
Yep. So, look, the car is front of you now.
Yes.
If you try to change your direction over there, what is the risk is involved over there?
Yes, so the car could be collision with my car.
So, if you do differently next time, how will you do differently?
So I'll be more careful about the situation, and I will keep my position hold back the bus.
Your indicator was right, okay, but don't move it over there. Stay, hold your position.
Yes.
Move after, because there's a 3 lane. Yeah, lane is coming after, not over there.
Okay. Yes.
Lane is come later on. So stay behind bus. If it comes same situation, stay behind the bus. After, when you see us creating a new line, then you start moving.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So shall I do again the next same exit?
Yes.
I'll do differently this time.
I'll be more careful.
Okay.
And I'll be trying to save them.
Okay.
Carefully.
Move on when you're ready. So do you want to do again independently?
Yes. Sure.
Okay. Move on when you're ready.
Instructor is not aware of pupil action and surrounding. Learner saying he is giving signal for roundabout to go right and positioning to right, but not overtaking bus.
Instructor got 1 in this risk competency.
instructor using same junctions again and again, as he is running his test route, but not as client-centered learning. Clear gap, be more proactive. Bus not moving and no car from front. Should have overtake the bus.
You meant this situation we'll discuss about it. Keep going. Take the next road to the left, please. Next road left. Okay, first of all we discuss about just now what happened. Okay. Well, so what type of the pedestrian crossing is like this one?
Yeah, the pedestrian was crossing and zebra crossing, so yeah, it was a mistake.
Okay, so what do you think? Did you see any refuge island in the middle?
Yes. So I could go. So
where she was?
She was in the opposite island.
Opposite land, yeah. So what do you think? If we stop it over there, what could happen over there?
Yeah, the vehicle behind me could close with me and they could collision with my vehicle.
Why you stop it?
Because I thought I didn't notice this tile in the middle. Yeah, so I will take proper observation.
But you stop it in the middle of the pedestrian crossing. So think about where she'll cross now.
Yes.
And you can scare also them, no?
Yes.
So next time how will do differently?
Yeah, I will do more better observation next time.
Yeah. Also, did you remember I tell you the biker overtake over there, the bus?
Yes.
What is the risk is involved if the bike overtake over this situation?
There might be something in front of the bus, so they could collision with this bike. Yes.
His view is clear?
No, this is not clear.
No? Yeah, okay, it's fine. So now, do you understand what is the reason I tell you to don't stop over there?
Yes, I understand. Yes.
Okay. So next time, how will do differently?
Yeah, I will keep more observations about this type of zebra crossing. Yes.
Okay. Move on. When you're ready.